Aloha, my friends. Let's just tune in. Go to the O. Go to the O. The origin point. The 0 point. The center. And if you can get here, notice your thoughts. Notice how they're different. Notice how you don't need any beliefs. You don't have any. See, when you're at the 0 point, you don't have any belief about anything. Because from that clear slate vantage point, nothing has happened yet. So why would you choose to believe something ludicrous like history repeats itself? That's a belief. For all we know, they've rewritten history 500 different ways, and there's 500 different versions. And everybody wants to argue about which one they believe is right. And they have missed the O. Go to the O. Go to your origin point and ask yourself there, what do you believe? And you'll find that you believe very few things. From the origin point, and see, they're not even beliefs, they're I knows. I know that all possibilities are possible from the 0 point. Well, what about this? And what about that? And what about this? And what about that? Those are all beliefs. The what ifs, the what about this is and that's beliefs. Well, it happened. So you're going to deny reality? See how tricky it gets? My experience with beliefs has been that it is disempowering. That probably sounds crazy to people that have strong beliefs because they think, no, beliefs give you strength, etc., and they can. Beliefs can do many things for you or against you. But I'm making a greater point that you don't need any of those beliefs, good or bad. And that, in fact, you don't have any when you're at the 0 point. From this vantage point of consciousness, there's nothing placed upon the conscious mind. There's nothing pressed upon it. You must believe this to proceed. You must believe that this God is the one. You must believe that you're fallen in some type of a way and that you're seeking some sort of redemption. And something very simple gets convoluted and confusing. But there's nothing confusing about the O. Go to the O. The origin. Your origin. Where, and see, your origin, excuse me, is not some thing in the past. Your origin is ever springing into existence and everything in existence with it simultaneously. So your origin is ever present. There's no reason you have to believe, well, my origin must have been meaning in the past. It must have been this way or that way, or this God must have done this or that or the other. Those are all beliefs, beliefs, beliefs. Go to the O. At your origin point, which is right now, coming from source into the layers, the etheric layer, the physical layer, the psychological layer, the literal 3D layer, then the layers of atmosphere, moving out into the layers of space, moving out into the layers of galaxy, moving out till you hit the wall, or you hit the torus field of the egg, of the cosmic egg. But at the O, at the 0 point, everything is open. So we could say about it, about you, about me, that at the O, there is nothing and there is simultaneously everything. But it exists in potential. Potentially every outcome is available to you with the reality that you choose to create. The only thing messing you up is beliefs. Preconceived ideas about the nature of everything. The nature of reality, the nature of self, the nature of mind. And it all became a bunch of confusion in the conscious mind. And the subconscious mind, some deep, dark, mysterious place where a bunch of unresolved stuff is still affecting your life, which in many ways is true. But again, these are all beliefs, even though they might appear to be true. See, nothing is true and nothing is not true simultaneously. You are the decider. You are the co-creator. With all the power. But they have made you believe otherwise. And they've convoluted the little bit that you do believe that is, we could say, right. They've convoluted that to even make it less effective and less powerful. When we go to the O, we are in Eden. We are home right here in this present moment, wherever you might be. Thank you, Mother, and thank you, Father. Thank you, masculine. Thank you, feminine. Thank you, Earth. Thank you, Sun. Thank you to our literal biological parents. Thank you that we have become parents to our biological children. Thank you that we see the connection between all and realize there's one big family here that's been through a lot. But we're going to go to the O, the origin point, and we're going to have 20/20 vision at the 0 point, and we're going to co-create something amazing, something beautiful, something wonderful, something healing and cleansing and unified within self and all other. We've been given all the tools to accomplish this. And we're finally opening our tool chest, and we're going to start pulling out the tools. Artist tools. Some are going to be sculpting, some are going to be painting, some are going to be building, some are going to be planning, some are going to be drawing and writing blueprints, some are going to be smelting, some are going to be forging. I reckon my time's probably getting short. I can't really see my screen, but don't let the present moment get away from you. Don't lose it. That's where our power is. Love and light. Until next time, my friends. I want to leave you with a cute little statue I got. He has gone to the O. You don't think he's at the O? And from there he can do anything. He's just a statue. Everything is alive. And when something is in a symbolic form like that, it speaks. Can you perceive what it is saying? These plants are speaking. Everything is speaking. Every single thing is speaking. Go to the O and listen. Until next time, my friends.